Hello guys, welcome to Spyro 365. Today I am going to show you how to make a text reveal with vertical line. First of all, we'll create a sequence and insert a color matte and choose a color and make it as a background. After that, we'll create a text. And then we'll create a shape using pen tool. And we'll keep the stroke only. We'll change the anchor point of the shape also. Then we'll create a keyframe for vertical scale of the shape. We'll select the text layer and add a keyframe for position. We'll apply crop effect on the text layer and change the parameter of left to 36%. Now there is a nice text reveal with the vertical line animation has been created. So that's it for today. If you love and enjoy our video, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tutorials on Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you.